arrangement. Please put your hands together.
Guests on the dais and the teachers, friends and media, the children. How are you? Good. So, I think last year I was here, right? Last sports day. Thank you, Ravi, for calling me again and making me, part of this, wonderful sports day. Then, whatever you played, all these, the games. आजकल बड़े होने के बाद, in the sense 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, वो एज में अभी माइंड को एक्टिव करने के लिए सब लोग ये खेल रहे हैं. बट वो ऑलमोस्ट 40, 50, 30 years क्रॉस होने के बाद 30, 40, 50 माइंड को ज्यादा एक्टिवेट कर लेके और नहीं तो फिजिकल फिटनेस वो टाइम में कुछ करना बोले तो इट इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. एम आई राइट? अपन इंटरेक्ट करेंगे भाषण सुनने के लिए अपन यहाँ पे वी आर नॉट सिटिंग हियर. लेट्स हैव सम फन. ओके ना? गुड. So it is not just winning the medal. It is not just winning the medal. I personally feel that in every activity, whatever in the sports, if you are participating itself is enough. So उसमें क्या होता है only first or second, but everyone should, as he rightly said, everyone should try for gold medal or silver medal or the bronze and all. But as far as my school of thought, it says participation is very important for your overall development in your life. आप कुछ भी काम करना बोले तो लाइफ में कुछ भी अचीव करना बोले तो आपका स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट और स्पोर्ट्समैन माइंडसेट रहना चाहिए आपको. अगर वो नहीं रहे तो देन इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. अपन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम विल से स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट चाहिए. व्हाट इज दैट? क्या चाहिए आपने को स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट? देखो एवरीथिंग टेकिंग इट इन अ राइट स्पिरिट और आगे बढ़ने का एक आइडियोलॉजी और विन होने का एक आइडियोलॉजी. एंड उसमें वट एवर वी डू पैशन के साथ वो लेने के उसका एक मजा लेने का एक एटीट्यूड वो अपने में डेवलप होना चाहिए. एंड होपफुली दिस एक्टिविटी will give you more and more energy and more that kind of spirit that's very, very, which is very important at this the budding stage. We also at Suchin India we do a lot of activities for the kids. I conduct talent search examination for the kids and all, but what I could not able to do in the past, take the support of Dr. Rafi and Ritu, because ये जो academics में excel होने के बाद भी academics में you may be the master of academics, but some people will not be excel in their life and become the best in their life. समझ में आ रहा आप लोगों को? आप एजुकेशन में मैथमेटिक्स में टॉपर और IIT में टॉपर होने के बाद भी लाइफ में गोल्स को अचीव करना और नहीं तो लाइफ में हर एक चीज हासिल करना बोले तो वो व्हाट इज दैट एलिमेंट, क्या चीज चाहिए उसमें बोले तो उसमें द स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. अदरवाइज यू विल बिकम एन इंट्रोवर्ट. अपन आप एक कंप्यूटर के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर लेना एंड एक टॉपिक के ऊपर रहना, उसमें बाहर आके कुछ सीखना बोले तो भी किसी को अपन समझाना बोले तो भी व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज you should become a good sports person so that आपका माइंड ट्रिगर होता, माइंड में एक एवरी सेल भी ट्रिगर होने का चांसेस रहता. एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. the thing most of the schools, most of the corporate schools में भी एक स्पोर्ट्स डे बोले तो नॉर्मल नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स में 2-3 एक्टिविटीज कंडक्ट करते थे कि छोड़ देते. बट आई रियली अप्रिशिएट Dr. Rafi for conducting this sports event and making you all active in the physically and mentally and along with the academics. And I wanted to be a part of this activity, Dr. Rafi. We know each other for decades And I still remember when I came to Hyderabad from Warangal. मैं जब वारंगल से आया था मेरे को भी इसके इंटरेस्ट था. So माइंड ढूंढ के आपके पास आया. And यहाँ पे along with Dr. Rafi, one more is the senior, the friend, colleague and his friend who used to share his thoughts and all. Dr. Rajshekar. I met him just couple of minutes back. I met him railway station and Kachiguda railway station, Napoli railway station, whatever the activities they used to do. It's an experimental था. वहाँ से pick up कर लेना and like a shelter home लगा लेके उन लोगों को training करना. And from the same school, same the training, उन लोगों ने screen printing, from picking up from the railway stations and making them to become self-sufficient. उन लोगों का पैरों के ऊपर लोग खड़े हुए से जैसा एक्टिविटी करते के सोसाइटी में छोड़ देना. And they used to come back and work along with him. That is the beauty of his activity. It is not just अगर until and unless अपना दिल के साथ काम करे तो ये चीज हो सकता. Somebody was telling एक माइंड में एक आने के बाद हमारे जैसे लोगों को जहाँ पे मटेरियलिस्टिक वर्ल्ड में ज्यादा हम लोग रहते हैं. बिजनेस में we deal with 99% वो बिजनेस एंड वो एटीट्यूड में चले जाते हैं. हम लोगों को ह्यूमैनिटी की तरफ और हम लोगों को सोसाइटी की तरफ खींचने वाला मैग्नेटिक पावर है डॉक्टर रवि जी के जैसे लोग. एंड I really you all, because you are all under the leadership of a very, very dynamic and a great human like Dr. Rafi ji. You should remember forever. आप कल के दिन में और कभी भी कुछ आपके कितने हाइट्स में गए तो भी you should remember that who is our mentor and who is our philosopher. बोले तो हमारे लाइफ में एक philosopher है, एक guide है, and the person who really sacrificed his life and he was taken only. It's not just his the kids. उसके घर में जो kids है वो किड्स नहीं है. हमारे को भी है उसका बच्चों के जैसा देख लेके उन लोगों का देखभाल किया. उससे ज्यादा और कौन हो सकता बोल के आपके माइंड में भी रख लेके. एंड यू शुड आल्सो come back and support him in future. With the grace of God, another 40-50 years you should support the society. And thank you, Dr. Rafi. And I just wanted to a small the token of the contribution from my side. I'll contribute 1 lakh from my Social India. But जो भी equipment चाहिए और कुछ भी चाहिए, that is up to you. But we will do from our side. And also I wanted to ऐसे चीजें होना बोले तो not only you but you need a group, you need a team. You are the staff. I wanted to congratulate them, your team, because until and unless you get a proper support from them, it is very difficult to run such a an NGO and all the staff of DMR and Hyderabad Council of Human Welfare. Thank you so much for doing such a human services. And one of the day, we are also into real estate and research. I'm also honorary consul of Bulgaria for the state of Telangana and Andhra. But मेरा रिसर्च में एक दिन मॉर्निंग से इवनिंग तक आपको यहाँ आपके SCSW और DMR स्कूल से लेके जाके आपको वहाँ पे बैक छोड़ेंगे, because you also need some kind of a break. And I extend that kind of a facility. I mean, that kind of a small gesture from my side, from my professional research. And any day, it is an open whenever you wanted to take your kids to my research for a recreation, for complete, from picking up to the drop, complete thing, we will take care of it, and my people will come to you, your school, and they will take you to the next and come back. Because sometimes I feel that, and carrying this kind of, what do you call that, a concept or a theme, it is without any commercial element. I know how much difficult. I mean, Corona time and sometimes every time going and requesting the people to support them. Because continue करना है बोले तो कुछ भी करना है. जाके it is not for himself. Whatever he is asking for, the hundreds of the students and their better future and brighter future. तो जो गवर्नमेंट काम करना है, unfortunately, India is not geared up to that. And if you look at in any European and American countries and other countries, it is the government takes it as the primary responsibility. But this is the least important in India. And I know that I'm associated with other NGOs also. What is that? The support we get it from the government. It's a least. So ये legacy को continue करना है जो आप start करें this mission should continue. And whatever we are not able to do that, you are doing it. Thankful to the God for giving such a wonderful person to us. And also I thank all the staff members of SCSW and DMR School. Thank you and all the best. And you have done a nice, activity right from morning to evening. Keep continuing it. It is not just a sports day. Every day is a sports day. Keep playing on the ground, not with the tabs or mobile. Please keep the mobile at least away and take your oath even in the future, at least half of your time. You should not look at the mobile. There your success starts. Your brain will get activated. All the best, my dear kids. See you all soon again. Okay. Thank you.